All right, my friends, we've already learned this skill. I just want to remind you because it's going to help us when we are trying to add and subtract mixed numbers. So right now, we're just going to practice taking our mixed number that has a whole and has a fraction and making it just into that fraction that's bigger than 1. So I'm just going to remind you how to do it. So the first question it's asking is, how many ones are there? That's how many whole numbers. There are 3. Think of, whoops, let me scroll. There we go. Think of each of the ones as a fraction. So what is it? 1 equals how many out of 7? Remember, we look at the denominator of our fractions. So that 1 whole is 7. Add as many 7 over 7s as needed to make 3 ones. Then add 4 sevenths. Okay, so it says add as many 7.7 sevenths as needed to make 3 ones. Then add 4 sevenths. So I think, let's see how I do it. Oh, well, why is it not? Oh, there we go. Okay, so we need 1, because we have 3 holes. We need, that's 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes, and then we need our 4 sevenths. So that's 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes, 4 sevenths. And then now we can add them together. So we've got 7 plus 7, we got 3 7s, which is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So there's 25. And notice the denominator does not change. That's 7, 7, 7. We're just focused on the numerator. All right. Nice job. Let's see if we have another one. All right, so first look how many ones. We have 2 ones. Okay, we got to think of each of them as a fraction. So we look at the denominator of our fraction. So this one is 5/5. Now we add as many 5/5 as we need. And we have, how many do we need? We need 2 of them. So it's 5/5 plus 5/5. And then we need to add this one, which is 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. So our fraction is 11/5. So 2 1/5 is equivalent to 11/5. Now you don't have to write all this down, but I just wanted to remind you, since this is just a review, we're going to be practicing that today. Okay, so there is 1, 1, last one. So looking at your denominator, think of each fraction as 1, so 1 equals 4/4, because our denominator is 4. Add as many 4/4 as needed to make it. So we only need 1. So we need 1, and then we need our 3/4, and we are done. We just got to add it up now. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So 1 3/4 is equivalent to 7/4. And we're going to need this when we're adding and subtracting fractions in case we don't have enough of our fraction to subtract. And we need to be able to go backwards, because if we have a fraction that's bigger than 1, then we need to take out that whole. All right, so we are not going to do any more of these together. I just wanted to review what we had. When you come to math today, I want you to have your fingers in your ears gently, okay, when you come to math today. For your code to show that you watched the video, put your fingers gently in your ears. And we'll practice going back and forth between these two before we do addition and subtraction with them on Monday.